I'm 27 now, and I've only ever worked really just minimum wage jobs. Basically, I started to realize pretty quickly that just doing minimum wage jobs your whole life isn't super sustainable.
I came here because I was working at a job that I was really not happy with. I did a little tiny bit of welding, and I decided that that was kind of the path I wanted to at least try going down.
I really love creating things and making things on like a large scale, and I've done woodworking and some other things, and I wanted to kind of step it up a notch. So welding was just kind of something that I really had wanted to get into for a long time, but was afraid to actually do. I was actually at SPSCC for a different program, and then decided I didn't want to do that anymore. And I love the advisors here and everything, so I didn't really want to get to know a new school. So I was really happy that there was a program here.
I like a challenge, and what I was doing beforehand, I was already a student here, just wasn't interesting me as much as I thought it would. And when someone brought up that we had a welding program here, I was actually very interested to kind of figure out what was that.
So it's something that I can do some creative stuff with. It's something where I'm like making something with my hands, you know. It's a combination of a few things.
What I really want to do is like repair on big farm equipment and like big machines and things like that. I love like the logic and problem solving of fixing big pieces of machinery. So I'll actually be starting my own business not too long after I graduate. So
after I finish up the program here, I'm hoping to do some more marine work. I have a lot of experience in that kind of area as someone on deck and not someone below building ships. So it's kind of the first branch out that I'm going to try before we move on to other things.
There's just so many options is what I'm starting to realize here. I'm on my second to last quarter now, and I'm just starting to realize how many options I have just going forward. It's limitless.
Everybody's been really helpful and really friendly, and everybody that I've met on campus has always been willing to help and get in there and like answer all of your questions. So it's a really good place to be.